Alright guys, heading to Rivet City. Guess we're going this way. So he said we gotta follow the river, and I guess that's what we're going to do. I think I should have at least. Nah, I think I can make it. Nah, I don't know. I'm not for sure. I was thinking I was gonna, try to level up and stuff, but I think I could make it. I mean, what if I could go from there? Pump station. Let's just fast travel there. Congressional style. Hello, super mutants, if that's what you are. That's Raider. Screw you, Raider! Oh, you don't even see me. We're good. We are good to go. What's going on over there? Oh, snap. Where'd you come from? What the heck? Random death claw? Yeah. Get him, Brotherhood! Get him! Yeah! I did it. It was on me. Thank you. Look at that fire. Did you see the fire? Oh, he's on flamer. I was like, what is he doing with the fire? Poor car. What we got here? Lord. There we go. Alright, we're good. So I'm guessing this area is guarded well. Maybe I can just mosey on through here. Maybe not. I wonder what next perk I should get. I don't know. Can't think of any good ones at the moment. What's this? Whoa! I didn't even see you. You're gonna die. No! Not today, Centaur. Easy. Not more. Oh. Boosh! Oh, that was Centaur. Ow! Done. What's it? Why don't they have any stuff on? What's in there? What be in here? Oh. Quit crying. Quit crying, lady. Come to save thee. Oh!
There you are! Someone help me!
Oh, just a sledgehammer. Oh. Oh, you're so dead. Dink. And dip. Yeah, reload. Derp. Alright. Repair. Nope. Why am I repairing? Oh, this is. Let's go with the Chinese sword. Officer sword. Obviously, you can't hit me. Obviously, my sword is much more powerful than your puny little hammer. You're over here, yes. I'm here. Why are you facing me away? Oh, I'm tired. There you go.
Mike, thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Here, I managed to hide these supplies before they tied me up. You take them.
I'll take them. I'll take that now. Okay.
You're right. I'll try to make it on my own.
Good luck. What did I get? Oh, some buckets. Guns. No guns. It's an ammo. Oh, I saw a stim pack. Oh, sweet. First, got to unlock this Doohickey. Oh. What's this? Killer Family 505. I'll take that too. Why not? Sleep. Oh, they make E for escape. Oh, I thought she already died. I was like, wow, that was fast. Kind of pathetic, but I'm not judging. I'm not judging. Not at all. It's still dark. I wonder what time it was. I should have checked. Like it matters in this game, but yeah. Oh, I thought those were floating for a second. I was like, what? Oh, snap. Something's behind me. Something is behind me. Woo! Oh. Some crab man. Crab man, I'm faster than you. Idiot. What's this? What's this? You have discovered Dukovs? Whatchamacallits? The Duke's house. Discovered the Duke's place. Stop. Look both ways. Not to. Oh, snap. Robot down. Hello. Come to slay and kill everyone here. Quick save. Hello, mate. Ah! Hey, language, buddy. And dead. Oh, yes, sirree. Yes, sirree. Red roach meat. Oh, there must be red roaches all over the place. Take all. Some whiskey. Oh, snap. Anything else? I'll take everything right away. Surgical tubing. Oh, wait. Radix. I don't need vodka. I don't feel like, It's a dart, a jet. I don't feel like getting addicted to whiskey. Oh, very hard. Something awesome must be in there. Oh, hello, dead Raider. Who failed to do their job. Ah, itchy eyebrow. Itchy eyebrow. Strafe. Strafe. Alright, we're good. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I don't like McDonald's. I guess I'm not American, but I don't like McDonald's. Hello, Wastelander. Scavenger. Hey, old man. Hello. Nothing good. Quick save. That really was weird. My ear itches, but I can't scratch because my headphones. My sword is about to break. Can I repair any of these? Oh yeah. My assault rifle's awesome. Okay. You can't have 3 in the same one. It's not. Wink, wink, wink. Who goes forth on this misty? Oh, pathetic little you. Woo! Woo! Oh. And dead. Are you empty too? Yeah. As usual. Oh. I'm supposed to get in there. Wait. I don't think I have to go in anywhere. What's going on over here with all of them? Oh, we're running. We're just going forward. We're just going forward. And you'd probably have something on you. No. Walk forward. He has a Gatling gun of death. Terrifying. I so should have leveled up before coming all the way. Oh, can I go in here? No, of course not. Of course can't. Not allowed to go anywhere. I'm gonna start watering. I was playing Halo 4 with some friends the other night, and my eyes. It wasn't both of them, it was just my right eye And it was watering so bad. It was crazy. Shopping cart, taking you with me. Let's go. My companion cart. And I just dropped it by accident by walking way too fast. What is that? Oh, I know what that is. Ooh. I know what that is. Oh, ran by super muties over there. And this probably is too. Oh, great. Don't mind me. You probably get one guns too, I bet. Woo! No, just hunting rifles. Pathetic. Ow! Dang it.
Oh!
Ow! Ah!
Oh!
No! Woo! Not again! Woo! I haven't died yet. Ah! No! I got this. Alright, we're good. We're good. We made it. We made it. Oh, we literally made it. We literally made it to Rivet City. Hello.
Hey.
Dock off.
Looking for your fix?
Oh, I leveled up.
Came to the right
no,
man.
I'm not talking to you. I just leveled up.
Cheers.
Or I'm just leveled up. Woo! Lockpick is going up to 45 and repair just a bit. To continue swift learner. Oh, I want that, or intense training, but toughness. It's just that's good too. My belly with low level. Let's do swift learner again. For the third time in the row, dock off. That's it for this episode. Made it to Rivet City. I'll see you guys next time.